Alright, right now I'm going to do a little refresher on how to make an iced caramel macchiato. In this case I'm going to make a medium. The first thing I want to say is just a little reminder that a caramel macchiato is actually a layered drink. So on the bottom there's the vanilla, and then we have the milk and the espresso, and on top a caramel drizzle. So the first thing we're going to do to start, and this is something kind of new, is you take the squirt bottle of the caramel syrup and run it around the top of the cup on the inside rim. The reason we do this is because we want it to, because you can see through the glass, and it's actually a really pretty drink because it's layered. So we want the caramel to run down the inside of the glass like this. So don't forget to do this stuff. It's really easy to forget, but it looks really nice when it's finished. So I tend to find that I have to go around the glass about 2 times with the caramel drizzle in order for there to be enough caramel for it to drip down like this. The next step is to add the appropriate number of pumps of the vanilla syrup. For a small, that would be 2 pumps. For a medium, it's 3, and for a large, it's 4. Since I'm doing a medium right now, I'll just add the 3 pumps of the vanilla Monin syrup. 1, 2, 3. The next thing I want to do is add about 1/2 cup of ice. A little bit more. There we go. And the next step would be to fill up our measuring cup, the iced measuring cup, to the line for the medium-sized drink, which is right here, with the coffee concentrate. Then what I do is I see that there's maybe about 1 inch of the coffee concentrate in this measuring cup, and I hold it up next to my the cup that I'm going to give the customers, and I kind of line it up and see how much espresso or how much concentrate needs to go in this cup. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add milk first and then the concentrate. So if you add too much milk, there won't be enough room for all the concentrate, and if you add too little milk, then you'll have too much room on the top. You always want to err on the side of caution though, so add less milk than you maybe think that you need to, because at the end it's easier to just add some more milk than it is to try to get rid of it if you realize after you're pouring the concentrate in that you have too much liquid in there. So after holding up the cup of the concentrate in the measuring cup, I can see about where I need to pour the milk up to. So that's my next step, is to add the milk. After that, I want to slowly add the coffee concentrate to the glass. The reason I want to do it slowly is because this is, remember, a layered drink, so we want to see the distinct layers of the vanilla, milk, espresso, and then the final step is the caramel. Now remember, this is a medium size, but just as a reminder, for a small, for all of the sizes actually, you do a crisscross drizzle on top, and for a small you would do a 2-second squirt down the middle. For a medium you do 3 seconds, and for a large you do 4 seconds. And that corresponds with the number of pumps of vanilla that went in the bottom of the cup. So right now I'm going to drizzle the caramel sauce in a crisscross pattern. Then I'm going to hold 1, 2, 3 seconds down the middle. And there should be about 1/4 inch left on top of the cup, which as you can see there is in this one right here. The reason we want that 1/4 inch left on top is so that when we grab a lid and stick it on there, it does not overflow, and it also leaves a little bit of room for the customer when they open the straw and put the straw in the cup, the drink will not overflow on them. So that is how you make, in this case, a medium iced caramel macchiato.